Hi guys, welcome back. I'm your host, TV. Today, and yes we can, we're gonna change the motor mount on a Kia Sedona 2007. We're gonna change the passenger side motor mount on the front over here. We got 1, 2, and 3, and 4, but we're gonna change this one today. So I'm gonna show you how you do it. First, you get these bolt out, take them, put a jack stand in the bottom, raise up the engine, and then this will come out and you can take out this one. Then you got 2 more volt down here. I don't know if you can see it, but yes, we're gonna do hello guys, I'm your host. Today this is yes we can, we're gonna change the motor mount. You can see this is motor mount, we already started. So you got 1, 2, 3 screws here and 2 down there, 1, and the other side 1. So you take those out. You already started. Those are 17 millimeter screws. Remember, you gotta separate them. You gotta remember which one goes where, because these right here are longer. You can see those are longer than the ones that goes down here, which are these. These are smaller. So you always separate them and do that. Also, we use a stand right here. We put a stand down there so we can jack the car, so this motor mount doesn't go nowhere. So now we're gonna take out the motor mount and put a new one. This is the old one. We got a new one right here, and these are the screws. You already seen it. We got 1, 2, and 1 more screw on this side. We're gonna take out this so we can take this screw out. So yes, for now, hold on. Now this, we gotta beat it up a little bit because it's a little bit tight. Just be careful when you do it. So hit it. There you go, loosen it up. Now you take out this piece out. I got my helper here, he's doing it. I'm just recording right now. So yes we can do this. Look, if this comes out, now the motor mount, you're gonna bring out the old motor mount. Okay, you gotta play around with it a little bit so it comes out. Play with the hose, make sure you play out, you bring it out. That's the old one, and you can see is all beat up, you see, all messed up. That's how it looks, really messed up. Now we're gonna show you the new one, how it's supposed to look, how it's supposed to be. Show them please for me. And this is the new one, you see? As it's supposed to be. See, all the rubber, it didn't went down because this is holding it. The other one was already all the way down. And this is a little tighter and everything. And now we just put this over here, and that's how you do it. You see, you remove this yellow piece right here, and lubricate them and put them back. So this is whole right now. The engine is whole by the mount. You can see the old one, the difference. You see the rubber, and see this one how it is. You can see the difference between both of them. Look at the difference. So yes, that's how we're gonna do this. All right, so here we go. We're gonna put the other one in. You can see he took off the yellow thing. It's a little play with this over here. Make sure you be careful with this gas line right here. Just put it in, play around with it until you fix it in the right way, the right spot. He got it in. Now he just got to twist it. There you go. He twisted. And now you just gonna assemble everything back. You're gonna put the screws back, everything little by little. So remember, this screws. Yeah, this one goes over here. There you go. You put that one in there. You help it with your hand. And yes, we can do this. Remember, this is a Kia 2007 6-cylinder Kia Sedona. This is please subscribe, share, comment, leave your comments please if you want more videos like this. Subscribe to the channel, share this video with anyone. I give you permission to share the video, please, but always leave the comments, anything. Thank you, I appreciate it. And this is remember, these are 17 millimeter we're gonna be using to tighten all these. You can use your hand, but we also got a drill that we use. And where's the, yeah, so this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna tighten it, and we are gonna leave you just looking at how we do this. Got to play play a little bit with this. Move it out of the way. It goes in over there on the other side. Make sure everything is clean. And everything seems to be clean. Yep.
I'm going to remove this so we can bring it down.
Yeah, now you're gonna do that. That's all. You just put the screws. So that should be all. Thank you. Subscribe. Leave your comment. Until next time, I'm your host, Divi. Yes, we can. We can do this. See ya.